Most people eat the fluffy broccoli top and throw the thick stem straight into the trash without thinking twice about it. But that habit might be completely backwards, because the part people throw away is actually the best part of the broccoli. Think of broccoli as a tiny tree growing right on your plate. We usually eat the leafy tree top and throw away the trunk. But the trunk is where nutrients travel through the plant from the roots up to the crown. Broccoli stems contain a lot of fiber that helps support healthy digestion, and they contain fewer bitter compounds than the tops of the broccoli. That means the stem is often the sweetest and mildest part of the whole plant. The only problem is the outer skin, which can sometimes feel tough and woody. Peel off that outside layer, and the good part appears underneath. Inside is a crisp, juicy, and slightly sweet vegetable that many people never taste. You can slice the stem into salads, stir-fries, soups, or even simple crunchy snacks. So the broccoli crown is mostly decoration compared to what is inside the stem. The stem is the gold, and the top is just the packaging wrapped around it.